Meet Connecteam Time Off, your one-stop shop to manage everything related to employee absences. Now you can finally keep track of all employee time off balances, all automatically calculated, preventing conflicts and costly mistakes, helping managers everywhere make better business decisions and save time. Say goodbye to spreadsheets. Connecteam Time Off means no more manual calculations and complex spreadsheets. Employee requests and balances are now 100% automated, calculated, and integrated with schedules and timesheets, all from one place. Create unique policies. You can choose a policy type from our drop-down menu or create your own, making it the perfect fit for any team. Whether your employees are fixed or hourly, now you have the ability to create customized paid or unpaid policies for any group of employees. Simply select your policy guidelines, assign the relevant employees, add their existing balances, and let Connecteam do the rest. Full transparency for both you and your employees. With Connecteam Time Off, both managers and employees always have a clear overview of current balances for paid or unpaid time off from anywhere at any time. Connecteam.